Students, today I have come up with two very important questions of linear equation problem sums, which I normally see the students tries to avoid it. Okay, so please do not try to avoid, try to understand, because these sums will play very important role in your higher classes. That is the age problem and a two-digit problem sum. Okay, so let us see the first sum. The first sum is the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. Now what are you have to consider it very properly on the first line. So the digits are there and the two digits are there. Okay, so two digits. First, let us have some conception on two digits. So two digits, it starts from 10 to 99. And in two digits, there are two types of digits. Okay, in a two digit number, there are two types of digits. One is unit digit and this one is tens digit. So two digit number is a combination of two digit, that is unit digit and tens digit. I think you are clear now. Now they are saying that you have to find it out that particular number, two digit number, whose digits are differ by 3. Fine. So in this case we are not aware of the unit digit also and tens digit also, isn't it? So what we have to do? Fine, what we have to do? So what is the question? Differ by 3, that is tens digit minus unit digit. What is the difference? The difference between tens digit and unit digit is what? 3. Or you can say unit digit minus tens digit is equals to 3. Both are possible, isn't it? So we have to let any one of them first. Okay, so let us let tens digit be x. Okay, so what we wrote just now, tens digit minus units digit is equals to 3. This was the first possibility. I show you the second possibility was also there. Unit digits minus 10 digits equals to 3. Any one you can follow, no problem with that. I am following the first one. So tens digit minus unit digit is equals to 3. So I have let unit tens digit as x. Okay. Now what will be the unit digit? So if I transpose this particular unit digit to this side and bring this 3 to this side, it will look like x minus 3 equals to unit digit, isn't it? Now what is the unit digit, students? X minus 3, isn't it? So unit digit is x minus 3. I hope you have understood. If you go with this particular statement, that is the difference between the unit digit and the difference between the tens digit and unit digit is 3. Okay, so and if we keep x in the place of tens digit, so we can get the value of unit digit as x minus 3. Okay, now let's move on to the second step of the sum. Now as we are aware of unit digit as x and unit digit as x minus 3, so normally how we expand this? Suppose if I write 25 out here and I am trying to express it in the expanded form. How to express it? 2 means what? 2 into 10, and 5 means what? 5 into 1. Why I have done this? As because why I have multiplied 2 with 10? As because it is in the position of tens. Okay, and why I have multiplied 5 with 1? As because it is in the unit place. Understood? This conception is very important for this sum. Why I am multiplying 2 with 10? As because it is in the tens position. And why I have multiplied 1 with 5? As because it is in unit digit. Similarly, suppose if any number I say, suppose somebody is asking me that in tens place there is a number 9 and in unit there is a number 2. So what is the number? So how will you write? 92, isn't it? Or you can write in this way also, 9 into 10, as because you know that any digit which will be in the place of tens, you have to multiply with 10, and unit digit means you have to multiply with 1. So what is the number? The number is 92. Very similar thing we have to do it here out here. Let's say tens digit be x. So if any digit is in tens digit, what we have to do with this? We have to multiply. So this is the original number we have to get. Always remember that in unit, and that is in two digit problem, the very first thing that you have to do, you have to let the tens digit, then you have to get the units digit, and then you have to find the original digit before you read the second sentence. This is a very mandatory act for 2-digit problem sum. So 2 digit be x, unit digit be x minus 3, and what is the original number then? Original number is, as because x is in the unit tens digit, so we'll multiply x with 10, and unit digit, as because x minus 3 is in unit digit, so what we have to do with this, with what we have to multiply? Exactly with 1. So 10x, now just open the bracket, x minus 3, solve this, it will be 11x minus 3. So this is the number that you have to find, and it is only possible when you get the value of x. So once you get the value of x at last, you have to put the value of x out here and get the original number. Fine, the main objective is to get this number. Okay, now let's move on to the second sentence. If the digits are interchanged, now what is the meaning? Digits are interchanged. So there are many levels actually, so you have to understand each and every level. So if the digits are interchanged means what? Now what was there in the unit digit? X minus 3. Now x minus 3 will go to the tens digit and x will come to the unit digit. This is called interchanging the digits. Okay, so new tens digit is what? X minus 3, and new unit digit is what? X. Obviously, so since the digit has interchanged, we'll obviously get the new number then. So what is the new number? New number is, as because x minus 3 is in the tens place, so we multiply 10 with x minus 3 and unit digit with x plus 1. So just open the bracket, 10 into x is 10x, plus minus is minus, 10 into 3 is 30 plus x. Now add this to 11x minus 30. So this is a new number. This is the original number that you have to find out, and this is the new number once you have interchanged the digit. Now see, what is the relation they are showing? Excuse me. If the digits are interchanged, if the digits are interchanged and the resulting number, this is the resulting number that you have obtained, okay, and the resulting number is added to original number, we get 143. Now what is the question they are saying? According to the problem, original number when added to new number, we get what? 143. So original number is what? 11x minus 3. So 11x minus 3, and what is the new number we got? 11x plus 11x minus 30 is equals to 143. Now this 11x and 11x will solve, will get 22x. This will get 33 equals to 143, isn't it? Now 22x equals to 143 plus 33, so 22x equals to 176. So x equals to 176 by 22. Answer would be 8. Okay, so now we know the value of x. Now we can easily get the value of the original number, because it's our main objective, isn't it? So the original number will be what? So let us just rub it down. So original number was 11x minus 3. So original number, first write it down, 11x minus 3, 11 into, what was the value of 8 minus 3, isn't it? So 11 into 8 is what? 88 minus 3, so the answer is 85. Now just to recheck, just to verify whether your answer is right or not, you see, what was the first sentence? The digits of a 2-digit number are differ by 3. So if we just really subtract this 2 digit, should I get 3? So 8 minus 5 is what? 3. So my answer is right. Okay, this is how you can verify your answer also. Okay, so let's move on to the second sums, which is also very, very important, which is age problem. Now question number 2 is the age problem. So Ram is twice as old as Shreya. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Find their present age. Now the detail of the present age is given like in the first sentence only. So Ram is twice as old as Shreya. So Shreya's age is compared with Ram. So until unless you're not aware of Shreya's age, Ram's age you cannot find it out. So the first thing that you will do is to get the Shreya's age. So let the Shreya's age bx. So now Ram is what? Ram is how many times older to Shreya? Is twice as old. Twice as old means 2x. That means if Shreya is 10 years old, Ram would be 20 years old. If Shreya is 6 years old, Ram is 12 years old. Okay, this is the relation between the age of Ram and Shreya's. Now, 5 years ago. 5 years ago means you have to write this statement 5 years ago. Now you have to check what will be their age, what was their age 5 years ago. Okay, so Shreya's age 5 years ago is what? Obviously we have to subtract, that is from present age you have to subtract 5. Similarly, you have to do the same thing with Ram's age also. The Ram's present age is 2x. So what was his age 5 years ago? So for that we have to again subtract 5. Now we have the details of their age 5 years ago. So 5 years ago Shreya was this age and Ram was this. Now let us proceed with the sentence. 5 years ago his age means this is Ram's age. Ram's age was three times Shreya's age. So just write it down. See, this part is very important. We have to convert this particular part into the equation format. So his age means Ram's age. Okay, his age means Ram's age was you can convert it into equal to sign 3 times Shreya's age. 3 into Shreya's age. And this is all about 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago. This is a story 5 years ago. That is the reason I have given the heading 5 years ago. First we have found out what was the age of Shreya's and Ram's age. Then I am framing an equation. So what was the Ram's age 5 years ago? So we'll see and write it down. That is 3x minus 5. 3 into Shreya's age is what? X minus 5. So we know that when you multiply monomial with binomial, the binomial term should be always inside the bracket. So 2x minus 5 is equals to, just open the bracket, 3 into x, 3x minus 15. Now transpose all the numbers towards the variable towards the left hand side and constant terms towards right hand terms. So 2x minus 3x equals to minus 15 plus 5. So answer is minus x equals to minus 10. Reduce this x, so you get the value of x as 10. Okay, so what is the objective? Actually the objective of this question is to find the present age. So what is the present age of Shreya's? It was x and Ram was 2x. So let's get it, as we are now aware of x value. X is 10. So Shreya age will be, Shreya is 10 years, as because we let the present age of Shreya as x. So value of x is 10. So Shreya is 10 years and Ram is what? Ram is 2x. So 2x means 2 into 10. That is 20 years. So this is the final answer. Please do practice 2-digit problem sum and age problem sum, as this is very, very important. Okay. Thank you very much and take care.